Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a plant chores video. You guys know I got all 4 wisdom teeth removed last week, so now it's time to check on my plants now that I'm feeling a little bit better. So let's make a smoothie and take a look around to see what we got. I did want to show you my Hoya prop box because it's getting algae buildup in it, and I'm not sure if that's an issue or not yet, but I did want to just give her a look-see to see if she's okay in there. My Hoya pubic-calyx, she's coming with us. Then we have another plant with algae, my Scindapsus tribii moonlight. My Hoya obovata, my god, it's honestly quite embarrassing at this point what she's looking like. And then I wanted to repot my Repotting together, but I was taking a look and they both look fine, so I might not do that. Okay, time to get out our list. We have Repotting Hoya pubic-calyx, Repot Scindapsus, Repot Hoya obovata, refresh my prop box, and combine my small Repotting. But like I was saying, I kind of don't want to do that because they look to be okay in the pots that they're in right now. I'm not supposed to drink out of a straw. Anywho, should we do the easy thing first or the hard thing first? The first thing on my list is to repot my Hoya pubic-calyx, and I'll show you why. This is the current setup. It's 2 pots in 1, and I only did that to help the stick stand up. Oh, so we can take her out. She was putting out those long tendrils, so I attached these 2 sticks that came with a different plant I had ordered. So I've been wanting to get her out. My glasses are reflecting so much. Should I take them off? I just don't want fuzz to get in my eyes because my eyes are really sensitive, and as soon as dust gets in my eye, my day's over. So, anywho, I've had this plant for so long. It was my first Hoya. I got it at one of my favorite plant shops that I need to go back to, honestly, because I miss it so much. Maybe I should back you guys up a little bit, or maybe I should back up a little bit. Yeah, how about that? It's easier. Ooh, there we go. So yes, I've had this plant for quite some time now, and I just feel like it's been declining recently, so I really want to get her to a place where she's stable. I'm also going to hang her in a macrame after, but for now, let's just get her off of these poles. I know that the poles are bamboo, but I have them taped to the side of the pot. They're not actually in the water. Imagine I found a peduncle, I would die. That's why I'm putting her in a window though, because I really want her to get peduncles. Okay, let's get these sticks off, even though she's going right back in this pot with these sticks. Should I get this? Yeah, I need to get the sticks off, why not? Just get this off. Then, yeah, see the dust that comes when you cut, the dust that comes off of these, what do you call this? I forgot what this is called. But this kind of rope, the dust that comes off this, oh my god. The piece just got in my eye. This is what she looks like with no sticks. And I really want to get her into pond. She's currently in LECA. She's always been in LECA since I potted her up. So I got one of the, oh no, my camera's overheating. Okay, what I was saying before I was rudely interrupted by my camera overheating. I have this right here. I'm gonna dump the dirty LECA in here. I'm scared. I feel like this plant has mites or something. I don't know. We're just gonna hold delete. Oh god. Okay. Oh my god, it's not even big enough for this pot, dude. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, my Hoya pubic-calyx. I'm gonna go rinse the entire plant off because it's pretty dusty and find a smaller pot for it, so I'll be right back.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so I'm gonna put it in one of these little white pots from Walmart. If you guys would have seen what was in the bottom of that pot, I wish I would have showed you before I panicked and threw dish soap in it and steaming hot water. I made a little bit of pond mixture before this video because I didn't want it to be 1,000 years long. I don't have a scooper. Let's go find a scooper. Oh, this does have a little blocky thing at the bottom. A plug. Just going to do it like this. Just put it back in here. I can't believe how big of a pot it was in. Probably why it wasn't blooming or growing. Why didn't you guys tell me, hey girl, don't repot that plant, it's not ready. He wasn't ready. It's okay though. We live and we learn. And I'm happy she's gonna be in pond now anyway. And I'm happy she's in a smaller pot because that means she's gonna be a lot more lightweight. And one of the downsides of having all of your plants in a semi-hydro setup is that they're so heavy. So I honestly get really scared about having them in ceramic pots hanging from the window. Like, I'm scared I'm gonna we lost a leaf, but it's okay, she's yellow. But I'm always scared I'm gonna wake up to one of these plants collapsing. Hopefully that never happens, knock on wood. There's so much noise outside because it's Sunday. Is she good? Hold on, let's give her the tap. Let's hold her like this, hold her down a little bit and... I don't want any air pockets in there. See? It's all an air pocket. Yeah, I'm so freaking happy I checked on her because she was not in the appropriate setup. Hopefully she blooms now. I'm so excited to go put her on the macrame. So this is my gorgeous little pubic-calyx in a nice small pot. I'm so excited, yay, I actually like her again. Because for a while there, I just like had her on the back of the shelf where all the plants go that I don't like. So I'm excited. So this is what she looks like now. So beautiful, I freaking love it. There's a dying air plant that I need to soak in water. Okay, so I crossed off repotting the Hoya pubic-calyx, and next it looks like we are going to repot my Scindapsus. It's finally out of the one leaf club though, so I'm excited. Okay. So next we are repotting my Scindapsus. I think this is the Scindapsus Trivii Moonlight. Yay, I figured it out. But look at how pretty this plant is. I used to have a full one in soil, but it died. And I'm glad I took this propagation before it died because I wouldn't have this plant anymore. So I just yanked it out the pot. Don't ask me why I did that, I really don't know. And it looks like some roots have grown through the plank. I watched Wild Fern's video, love her. But I watched her video when she did planks and I was like, oh my god. I want to pot her in this pot just because I feel like it would be better for this whole situation, more comfortable. And we're just gonna I'm gonna backfill him, obviously. Oh my gosh. Do you guys remember the video I posted with the plant growth updates? My caladium bulbs have sprouted beautifully. I'm sure you've seen them if you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you're following me on Instagram if you aren't, because I post plant pictures, plant content, plant updates all the time. So if you don't follow me there, you're seriously missing out. Oh my, there's literally little kids screaming outside. Like, why today, little kids? I'm trying to film. Look at how cute and chunky this looks. Oh my freaking god. Oh, he's so cute. I am gonna go put him back in the cabinet. Yes, I did get an IKEA greenhouse cabinet, the Millsbo wide, the white one. Literally a dream come true. I didn't think I was gonna get it super soon, but literally the day, I think it was the night before I got my wisdom teeth out, I was like super nervous to go get them out. So I was like, I need to do something to make my feel So I said I need to do something to make myself feel better about this whole procedure. Oh my god, I'm so crooked. I need to do something to make myself feel better, so I bought a Millsbo wide cabinet. Why was shipping $100? I paid for it because I wasn't driving an hour to IKEA to pick it up. Anyways, this is my cute little girl. She's going in the IKEA cabinet just because as soon as I put her in there, this leaf finally unfurled. Like, it was poking for a while, but it finally unfurled, and she's so pretty. I was dealing with a serious algae problem, which is what I'm finding with Pawn, is that I'm dealing with a lot of algae. It's easy to clean off, like once I dump it and strain it and all of that, but algae is posing a problem with my plants. I do plan to cover all of the pots that are clear eventually. I just haven't thought of a creative way to do that yet, so stay tuned for that. Okay, we repotted our Scindapsus, and now we're moving on to my Hoya obovata, who needs serious help. Guys, look at this. What is happening here? What is happening outside? There's lots of kids screaming. But anyways, there is nothing at the bottom of this pool in here. There's too much perlite in this pond mixture. It's just a lot going on, so we're gonna help her out. This was my first Hoya obovata ever. It was the 3-leaf cutting. And look at, it's my favorite one. She's so pretty. So I need to make her look good. Let's do it. Scalpel, check. Let's get her off of this freaking disgusting pole. She still needs to be staked up though, but not like this. Put that right there. What are we even gonna do with this? I don't even know. Should have figured that out probably before I started this. She has lost a leaf. Why is there so much lint on her? Oh my god. Okay, I need to do something. I don't think I'm gonna repot her, honestly, because this is pretty heavy. I don't know why I thought I needed to repot her, but she definitely needs to be staked up a lot better. Like a straight line like this, and put in a pot that supports the pole as well. This could work, but there was just too much going on. Maybe if I don't know. I was gonna take the plant out the pot, but I just really don't want to. So I'm just gonna like try as hard as I can to get this down in here. I know I shouldn't be doing this because I could really mess up the root system, but sorry, Obi. The moss in here is hydrophobic currently because it hasn't been watered in eons and eons. Boop, 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 boop. See, she'd be so much better if she was just like, boom, you know? So let's go get some string really quick. Probably should have soaked the moss pole first, but you know what? Whatever. Gonna tie the top first. Hoya obovatas are such slow growers. Oh my gosh! This lady does not want to be on this pole. It's okay, girl. I wouldn't want to be on the pole either. But this is how the cookie's crumbling right now. You know what? My god. Like, can I like not tie something? Or like, what the f is the issue? Maybe I should use a bigger string. Hold on. Boom. Okay, so this is my cute little Hoya obovata. Standing up straight now. Hopefully this stays how it is. I did get this black pot for her because I love the way that Hoya obovata look in a black pot. Like, isn't this just divine? Wow. Not going in the cabinet though. Next on the list is to refresh my Hoya prop box. Hopefully that doesn't take too long, but there's a lot of algae in there. Oh my god, do you guys see the reflection of my golden pothos? And I'm gonna take all the cuttings out and the layer of sphagnum moss, so I'm scared. What if there's bugs in here? Oh my god, these things are, oh my god, rooted so much. Like, guys, look at that. They're so rooted. And there's so much sphagnum and perlite and pun all over my floor. But it's okay because, should I leave this alone? I don't think there's enough algae in here to bother this. Should I leave it alone? I think I should leave it alone. Yeah. Should we leave this alone? Yeah, I'm gonna leave it alone, guys. Oh my god, I'm so bad. I'm sorry. If you were excited for me to refresh this prop box, I feel like there's not enough algae in here. When it gets really bad, I'll refresh it and stuff, but there's not enough algae in here, guys. It's really not. And I'm mad that I took these cuttings out because I feel like now it's gonna be a problem in here because I bothered it. But let's just, you know, oh, what's this? A Repotting is stuck in here. Guys, I'm scared. Did I ruin everything? Okay, oh my god, now I really have to sweep. Alright, let's just add the rooting hormone to the serpents and we'll be good. What is this? Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god. This needs to like go down in a hole. Yeah, like that. How about that? We're leaving you alone because algae doesn't seem to be posing quite as much as a problem as I thought it was. My scientific calculations were slightly off. So we're on to the next chore. Doop. Oh my gosh. Doop. Oh my god. Oh, you know what? It's alright. I'm just gonna cross out this too, the combining that. Refresh prop box because we didn't need to do that. We're adding rooting hormone to our serpent props now. So this morning I woke up with Edward Scissorhands' brain. And I took, how many cuttings? 4 more Hoya serpents cuttings that I am currently water propagating. That I'm currently water propagating. Look at how cute! Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna get some rooting hormone on these. So I just poured a little bit of my Clone X gel. Everything I use will be linked below, or anything that I think that you guys would want to look into for yourselves is always linked below. Like my glowy humidifier. What else? The stuff that I use to make my DIY pond is down there. My favorite leca is down there. What else is down there? Ah! I got a leaf in the rooting hormone. I don't think that's a good thing. Ugh, takes napkin out of trash. Don't act like you wouldn't do it either. I live alone, so I know what's on the napkins in my trash. I don't know about you. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your entire life? That does bring me to the end of today's video. I need to clean up this mess. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. And until my next video, bye guys. Didn't think that I could.